No, I mean, I play left field, the outfield as well, so I feel like I'm athletic enough to get to that, but it does throw me off a little bit.
All right, you're down by 1 run, you come up in the top of the ninth, you ding the first batter. How do you settle yourself down mentally from that?
Well, that's just something that's baseball. You got to be a pitcher and just battle back. It's just something you got to deal with.
You did a good job of it tonight. You guys come up 1 short. You got to feel good about the season so far, though.
Yes, sir. We got. I had a good guy tonight pitching. We'll come back out tomorrow and get on him.
Played good. You know, bats didn't come through in some clutch situations when we had you know, runners in scoring position, but that's going to happen. It's it's part of baseball. You know, the guys will come out and swing the bats good tomorrow night. I'm not worried about our team at all. That pitcher for Asheboro, he had a heck of a night. You don't see many guys that can go 9 innings like that in this league. He did a great job. He's one of the top pitchers I've heard in this league. So we'll be fine. We'll come back out tomorrow night and be able to hit the ball.
Good base running tonight. You got some smart guys out there who know the game and they're following your direction. You got to feel good about that.
Yeah, you know, we got a lot of good baseball players on this team, and I don't you know, they don't disappoint me at all. You know, it's always bad to lose, but you know, if you win 4 out of 5 every time, you're going to be fine. And you're going to have games like this where you come out and you don't hit the baseball, but the guys are fine. They played a good ball game, and I look for a different story tomorrow night with our bats. I think we'll come out and we'll get a good start from Drew Spear, and I feel like we'll hit the ball fine. So.